Hi and welcome to Philippines. We are here now at
Our spring resort.
our spring resort in Philippines, in Mindanao, Valencia, Bukidnon, I guess. Maramag, Bukidnon. And yeah, can't complain of anything. We just arrived and I'm heading down to this soon. Så Anna-Li och jag hälsar från alla i Sverige.
Ay, biking dili oy, dili ra mo. Dili ra to mo bailan.
This is the sound of we want to go and swim. Why we have to sit here?
Yeah.
When we can go here.
Sige daw, pamitan daw uling jeep. Hello guys, we are here at Viking Lake.
Ja, det är bra. She took a lot of pictures. Good.
Huh? Älskling, vi ska gå där.
Okej, kom då.
Dagdag pangko disa.
Ha?
Dagdag bangko.
Ay, ay. Masa ka? Later.
Så Anna-Li och jag hälsar från alla i Sverige. Bye!